welcome back to WsCube Tech. So guys, in our previous session, we learned how to update a table. We learned two methods to update a table. That was one with the directly recalling the column, plus second one was with the help of the placeholder and the tuples. Today we will be talking about order by and limit. We have also talked about them in SQLite 3 where we learned how to arrange something, how to get the data in the form of an order. Order here tells us that if we want our data over here in the ascending order or in the descending order, while at the same time limit would tell us that if you want to give a limit to your data that you or the ending tree data, or if you want the data from the middle. So we will be using order by and limit. With the help of order by and limit, we will be fetching our data. So let's have a look on how it can be done. So if you remember in our select query, we use this method to fetch all the data. Let me just once run it and show it to you that what would be the outcome if I run this data over here. So I'll be running it. And here we get the three data that is right now over here in our table. Let me just insert more data to it. So I'll just quickly go to insert over here and insert more data to it. And for that, I'll be just changing. So for that, I'll be just quickly changing the details over here. So I'll just quickly run it and add this data to MySQL. So now in our MySQL, if I refresh it, I have more data over here. And if I go back to my select query and run it once again, so now I have more data over here. So what I need to do right now, this data is coming in the ascending order. Now what if I want this to be a descending order? To get the data in a descending order, all you need to do is, we have written select star from student. That means select everything from student. So after selecting everything from students, all we need to do over here is we need to write order by. For that, I'll be writing order by. And we want to give a descending order or a ascending order that we have to define over here. So DESC is your descending order. Now if I run it over here, so after writing order by over here with what is the order that we need over here. So let's say if I go to MySQL over here, I need the order of names. So let's get an order of names over here. So for that, I'll be writing order by name and DESC in a descending order. So now let's run and see what output do we get. So now you can see over here that Z comes in the end. That means in our alphabet Z comes in the end. That's why Z is over here. Then another Z, then T, P and J comes in the first over here. So why this is happening? This is happening because we have arranged this in a descending order. Descending means from behind we want it, and we have arranged named in the descending order. So that's why the names are coming in the descending order, and that's how the rows also we are getting in the descending order. Similarly, if you want anything else in the descending order, let's say if you want to talk about the phone number, that phone number you want in a descending order, then you can just write over here PHNO, and if I run it over here, we will get the data in the descending order with the help of our phone numbers. So here this is how we are getting the data, that the greater the number, the topper on it is on, and the smaller the number, the bottom it is on. Similarly, if you want it in ascending order, then you don't have to just write anything. You can just write ASC over here, and ASC will be for the ascending, DESC for the descending. Talking about, so this was about order by. So this was about order by. Order by allows us to give an order to our data, whether it's in ascending order or a descending order. Now we'll be talking about our limit over here. Let's say what is limit over here. So limit allows us to get the data in a certain limit. Suppose we want student details, but we want a certain limit, like I want a starting 3 data. For that, I'll be writing over here limit and 0, 3. So 0 is the starting value and up to 3 values I wanted. So let's run and see what do we get. So you can see over here that we have got the starting 3 values, that this 0 is the starting value. 3 here is defining that the 3 values will come over here. While at the same time, if I would have written 3 and 3. So 3 will be the starting value. That means it will start from number 3. And then it will get us 3 values over here. So the 3 values are right now over here. That 3, 6, 7, 8 we have over here. So this is how our limit works. Limit also works along with the order by. So if you write over here order by and name and DESC and run it, so you will get the 3 data over here in the descending order with the P name and with the limit provided over here by 3 by 3. So if you want, you can change the limit over here as well. I'll be just providing the triple quotation so you can see it in 2 different lines. And if you give the value from 0 to 3 and so you'll be getting the starting value as Zoe, and Tarun, that is the descending order But also over here, what is happening? It is coming in a limit of 0 to 3. That means starting value is 0 and up to the 3 data it is giving us. If I would have written 4 over here, it would have given me 4 datas over here. So for now we have 4 data in the descending order, which is sorted by the name over here. So basically simple method over here, that for select everything from student details. What we need to do, we need to give a order here, that we want ascending order or a descending order. So here I have provided with a descending order with the reference of a name over here. And after that we have provided a limit, that 0 to 4 limit we need, that starting value is 0. We'll start from the starting and we'll get the 4 data over there. That means we'll fetch the 4 data in the descending order, which has been arranged in the format of a name. So this is how order by and limit works. I hope you have no doubts and no questions in order by and limit. In our next session, we will be talking about searching and filtering. So stay connected guys, and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.